Hello and welcome to Avnet Silica. So we are here at Embedded World and we focus here on our key supplier, the DEEPX. So we have a very close cooperation with DEEPX because we work on vision applications today. And what we would like to do is to showcase the different demos we have with the solution on DEEPX. And it's also in cooperation with different kind of suppliers. So as a first demo, we have here the Fox products, where we also have the DEEPX module, as you can see here. So that's an M.2 module, or it can be on chip level. And what it runs are different kind of vision networks. We see 4 different networks running here. So just starting up, YOLO V7, pose detection. So in total 4 different, so running on one device, there you have 3 neural processing units, so it's all handled by that. But in addition, you can also see, for example, that the conjunction of what you have on the controller is only like 9%. So all the heavy lifting is done on the accelerator device. So this is like a kind of a box product, so it's an ASRock box, but we have this also then with the AMD Ryzen Embedded 8000. There is another demo on there. And this is one that we do with an ZU board. So it's an Avnet board where you have vertical adapter boards where we plug in also the M.2 module. So we can even touch like the chip. So it does not need to have even a heatsink or a fan. It's just all running like this on this device. What is very nice is that there is also cooperation with Ultralytics where you run the latest YOLO models. So of course a customer can integrate his own model, but can also use Ultralytics models. So what is nice is it's running on Ubuntu Linux, it's running on Peta Linux, on Yocto Linux, but we even did the integration with a close cooperation with DEEPX on Windows 11 IoT. And that's another demo we have that we can show over here. So this is with another kind of processor. It's a control board, so this is an AMD Ryzen 2000, so it's not very powerful, but we combine the accelerator here onto the device. It is running 8 different streams. You can see it's running 200 frames per second, and you can also see like the temperature is 60 degrees, so which is low. Again, it's even without the heatsink that we have it here. So that means that you can run Ubuntu Linux, you can run Yocto Linux, you can run Windows, and with any kind of device that has a PCI Express interface, 4 lanes, 2 lanes, 1 lane, so this works. As the last one that I want to show is a cooperation we have with one of our software partners, and that's with the Deep Vision Consultant. So they did an integration on a Renesas device, and so this is a Renesas V2H evaluation board, where you have the processor, you have the PCI Express interface, you also have the module here, so the DEEPX module. And in fact, what we try to do here is to balance the AI performance, so the vision models. 2 of them run on the ZRP from Renesas up to 10 top, where you have like an image optimization, and you also have like box detection. But in addition, like pose estimation is done on the DEEPX DXM1 module. And so this is running on 3 cameras. So we also even have it as a kind of complete industrial application with one of our partners at Engica, where you have the 3 cameras at the back. You have the DEEPX module. So if customers want to go from evaluation kits to a complete industrial application, they can use this kind of system. So we started with DEEPX because what we found out is for us as a distributor, there is really a need in the market for vision applications and to have a high-end AI accelerator to combine it with the different processor suppliers. And we started this cooperation a few months ago, and we are very successful with them. So it's thanks to the great cooperation of the technical team of DEEPX and Avnet Silica, but also the management team that we were able to be successful, and to build this in fact in only about 3 months. So this is a kind of introduction of what we do in the DEEPX and so many of the applications. So if you have questions, go to the Avnet Silica website or the DEEPX website, and you can find out more information about the DEEPX solution.